This is Decision Weather America Weather Streaming Channel meteorologist Chris Stromick with your Tri-State Area Super Hits forecast. Now that we have a second in a row April storm that has brought us high wind and very little moisture, what lies ahead is a couple cold fronts tonight and one ending the week late Friday into Saturday. Zonal westerly and south flow around 10 miles per hour ahead of a front this evening will allow temperatures to start here in the upper 30s and climb well into the 70s this afternoon. Behind the front, winds will turn to the south and become breezy this evening and overnight at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Those winds will continue through midday tomorrow, and lows will drop into the mid to upper 30s, and any rain will amount to just a few hundredths of precipitation. Tomorrow and Friday will be cooler in the upper 40s to middle 50s, and during the day and around 30 degrees overnight with mostly cloudy skies, waiting for a second front and disturbance Friday evening into Saturday morning. Chances for measurable rain and snow mix with an upsloping easterly flow, and we could see quarter to three-quarters of precipitation through the day on Saturday. Saturday will be colder. Temperatures will only be in the upper 30s and low 40s, and lows overnight will drop into the upper 20s. Sunday through the middle of next week, spring will return with warmer and dry conditions through Tuesday with chances for showers and storms on Wednesday. That concludes today's Super Hits forecast. If you're looking for accurate, personalized weather forecasts and updates from your own team of certified meteorologists, check out America Weather Streaming Channel's Weather Valet direct messaging weather app and America's Weather SC and weathervalet.com.